manufacturing facility here itself in Dubai? Except
We are at the office of the principal of Rizvi College, Mr. Faruqi, and he has two guests from Delhi. So I'm just asking Mr. Faruqi, what exactly was this event which took place since yesterday? This SPSS.
we had a workshop, national level workshop for SPSS software, which is these days necessary for a researcher to know the software. Every researcher must know at least one software which can help the researcher in analyzing the data, because as you all know that the Prime Minister of the country 2 years back said that the standard of research in India is abysmal and people are not doing good job as a researcher. We studied his statement and we thought what is wrong, because most of our students are doing a tremendous job as far as data collection is concerned, as far as conceptualizing the problem is concerned, as far as really putting heart to the whole thing is concerned. They were doing everything, but still the results were not so good. The reason was most of our researchers don't have the analytical background, the background of mathematics or statistics which are necessary for having any kind of analysis done. And therefore we started thinking we must give them a training to have some kind of analytical ability. But at this age it is very difficult to teach them stats, maths and stats. So we thought of teaching them the software which can help them do all the analysis for their research. And Mark, I can tell you the response has been overwhelming. I never expected this kind of response. Almost all the states in the country are represented. People have come from far and wide, and 159 participants are there. We expected at the most 40 people, but there were 159, and we had to stop because we don't have that kind of facility to accommodate any more people. And what is really encouraging us to go for more of this kind of programs is that these people are really keen to learn, and their passion for the whole thing has made us think of have a future plan of having more such programs in the college, and that is all.
Okay, was there any particular benchmark and any certifications is it being given?
Yeah, certificates are being given to all the participants. Actually what happened when we started the whole organization, we went to UGC for their funding, and UGC also, because they know that analysis of any research is very important, UGC came out with the help, and they helped us with the funds, and they also told us to actually have as many participants as possible, and this is the result. All those participants who are taking part in the exercise, they have been given on-hand training. It is not that no lecture is being taken in a classroom. It is in the computer lab that they all are sitting and they are working on hand.
Practicals.
And that we are actually asking them, continuous interactive sessions are there, wherein even the resource persons who have come from SPSS company, they are asking the participants the questions, and once they are satisfied that the participant has understood the concept at one stage, they go to the next stage. And similarly, we have they are encouraging all the participants to ask all the questions they have, and they are trying to satisfy them with their answers. And this kind of interactive session, I am told by the participants, they have never attended. This is a big thing that they are finding, and for which means we are thankful to the SPSS company who have sent their representatives. In fact, they are distributing their software. Mark, again I would tell you, this software costs between 3 lakh to 11 lakhs.
Okay.
And the copy of it is given to each one of them by the company. So the company has done a good job, a big job for us. And when we were planning out the whole thing, company engineers used to come and check all the facilities at regular intervals, and only when they were satisfied with the services provided by the college, that they agreed to do the whole program here.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Farooqui. Thank you.